Automate your Instagram post. Is that possible? Yes, it is. Using Pabbly Connect, you can create this amazing connection that with the help of OpenAI, you can simply create your Instagram post every single day without you lifting up your finger. So now let's dive into the creation of this automation that is going to automate your Instagram post using OpenAI. Okay? On a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect. That is www.pabbly.com/connect. And then you will come to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now over here you will find two options. That is sign in or sign up for free. Now before we create this automation, I want to talk about what is Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay? So now after coming to the landing page, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, simply sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. Okay? And as I'm an existing user, directly sign in if you're a user already. Then you will come to the All Pabbly Apps section where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button. And then you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new automation, click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new version from here, and firstly we have to rename the workflow. So for the name of the workflow, I will give it as Use OpenAI to Automate Instagram Post. So this is the title. For the folder, these are the folders from which I am going to select Workflows folder. To create your own folders inside Pabbly Connect, you can use this plus button. Then click on this create button and the workflow has been created. Now over here, as the workflow is created, two major principles inside Pabbly Connect. One is trigger, other one is action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple actions inside Pabbly Connect. And we are going to set up our trigger step first. Now as I want to create the post every single day automatically, we are going to schedule this workflow for a particular time every single day. So what is going to happen? Every single day at the time that you have selected, this workflow is going to trigger itself and automatically an Instagram post is going to be created through OpenAI and posted on our profile. Okay? So now we are going to select a trigger application as scheduled by Pabbly. Event is going to be schedule workflow. Click on this connect button. How often do you want to run the workflow? Every day at 12 p.m. So I will select over here as 12 p.m. as the time, as every day at 12 p.m. the post should be created. Okay? Then simply click on the save button right over here. As we have done that, it says the workflow is going to run every day at 12 p.m. right here. UTC time zone is also mentioned. Okay? After scheduling this workflow, now we want AI, our OpenAI, to generate the caption and the image that is going to be created as a post. Add an action step in which for the action application, select over here as what? OpenAI. And the event is going to be ChatGPT. With the help of ChatGPT, we'll generate the caption. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will add a new one. We want the token. The token is going to come from the OpenAI account. Now remember, in order to create this automation, you need to have an OpenAI account, but it should be a paid account. Okay, you should have an OpenAI paid account in order to create caption as well as post. Okay. So now to have the token, over here go to this hyperlink in the help desk and you will come to the API keys page of your OpenAI account. Now to create a new key, click on this create button, and for the name of the key, let's suppose I'm going to give it as new, project as default, permissions as all, and create the key from here. As the key is going to be generated, copy it from here and paste over here in the field and click on the save button. So now as the connection is created, firstly we have to select the AI model. I will be using the model GPT-4o mini, so I'm going to search and select that AI model from here. You can select any other model according to your requirement. Next, it is asking for the prompt. Now the prompt is a text with the help of which an AI is going to generate as a content according to our requirement. as big and as described the prompt is going to be, you're gonna get better results. You have to tell your AI what you want exactly, what you do not want, what are your requirements, what you do not want to add. You have to give the prompt very brief so that AI is going to understand your request and generate the content according to your requirement. So I have created a prompt. It's a basic prompt that is going to help me to generate the caption for my Instagram post. Okay, so now for the prompt I will write over here as, so now this is the prompt. You are a creative social media copywriter for a fashion apparel brand named Lushberry. Generate 100% unique Instagram caption every single day related to fashion trends, outfit inspiration, and seasonal collections and styling tips. The tone should be trendy, engaging, and conversational. Avoid repeating past captions. Keep it fresh, authentic, and relatable. Output only the caption text. I have few more data to be added. Do not add this symbol. Do not add the symbol in the caption. Okay, I have another statement to be added, and do not add emojis in the caption. So these are my requirements. Now using this prompt, this AI is going to generate the caption every single day at 12 p.m. sharp. Okay, so I will click on this save and send test request button. As I've clicked on the button, you can see right over here automatically I've received this reply in which I've received the content. Saturdays are for stepping out in style, whether it's brunch with friends or scrolling in the park. Elevate your look with bold colors and playful patterns. What's your go-to weekend outfit? Okay, so a trendy and a very conversational caption has been generated by this AI. Now after generating this caption, next we are going to generate the image, but this image that we are generating should be related to what the caption that is generated. Okay, so I will add an action step in which my action application I will select over here as OpenAI, and action event is going to be generate image. So I'm going to search for it and select this event. Okay, then click on this connect button. Again, if you want, you can add a new connection, but I will select the existing connection from before. So I'll select the existing connection and click on this save button. Okay, now it is asking for the model. For the model, I will be using Dell E3. You can also use Dell E2, but for better results, I'm using Dell E3. Okay, then it is asking for the prompt. Now this prompt is specifically for generating the image. So now for the prompt for the image, I'm going to write over here as, so this is the prompt: generate a unique high quality Instagram image for the fashion brand Lushberry. The image should be visually match this caption. Now we have to insert the caption right over here. So we will map the data right here. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Over here, select the field. The previous step OpenAI is going to appear. Click on it. This is the caption for which we are generating the image. Select it. As you've selected this data from the previous response, the data in this field has been mapped. And as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new caption is going to be generated in our previous step, that new caption is going to be updated in place of this mapped data right here. Ensure the image is always different and creative. It can showcase outfit, clothing, designs, and model fabrics, accessories, or fashion aesthetics. Use natural lighting and vary the tone across days. Sometimes pastel shades, sometimes bright colors. The image must be stylish, modern, and Instagram ready. Strictly do not include any words, letters, numbers, characters, or symbols in the image, only visuals. Okay? Number of image to be generated, 1. Size, I want the size as 1024 into 1024. Quality should be HD. If you want, you can select the style over here according to your requirement. I do not want that. So I'm going to skip the part and simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, I've received the response in which I've received the image link. I will copy this link and open it on a new tab right over here. So you can see right here, this amazing image has been created. Okay. This image is created by this AI. As now this image is created, now let us post this image as well as the caption on Instagram. But there is a slight problem with Instagram. That is, you cannot just simply use this. First of all, let me show you. This is a huge URL. You cannot simply use this huge URL in order to create a post. You have to shorten the length of this URL. For that, I will be using this amazing application that is Bitly. So I'm going to search for Bitly right here. Select it. Event is going to be shortened link and then simply click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection. For that, I will click on this connect with Bitly. As I've done that, it is asking for the access of my account. So I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay. To make this connection super easy, I will click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. The connection was super easy because on a new tab I've already logged into my Bitly account. Okay. Now the group is this Ashira, so I will select the same group, and for the URL I will map the data of this long URL right here that we want to shorten. Okay, click on this save and send test request button. You will receive this link and this is the URL that is created. If I'm going to copy this URL and open it on a new tab right over here, you will see this is the same image that was generated by AI. Okay. So now as we have generated the image, now what we are going to do is we are going to post on Instagram. So my action application is going to be Instagram for business. Event is going to be publish post. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Instagram for business button. Then this window is going to appear in front of you, and this is my Instagram account. So I will click on this continue button right here. As soon as I've done that, you can see right over here Instagram is connected to Pabbly Connect. We need to select the account to use. My account to use is Jessie Matthews, so I will select that account over here. For the photo URL, I will map the data of this link that is generated, and with that for the caption I will map the data of the generated caption. Okay, and simply click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, I've received this response in which I've received this ID, that is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my Instagram profile and refresh this profile page from here, you can see a new post has been created with the same image and the same generated caption. Okay. So as now this image has been created, this means the entire automation has now been created successfully. Now what is going to happen every single day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to run through the scheduler. As soon as this workflow is going to be triggered through schedule, automatically first OpenAI is going to generate me a caption for the image, a unique caption. Caption is generated. Using that caption, OpenAI is again going to generate an image. Caption, image, both are generated. Then the link of the image will be there using Bitly. Now as we have the caption as well as the image, automatically on Instagram the post is going to be created. Okay, so this is how you build this amazing automation without need of any coding and programming skills, using Pabbly Connect for yourself to automatically create Instagram post using OpenAI. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.